declaration has been made by Sonia Ji, then Narendra Modi came out with a declaration that he is ready to bear all the costs, including transportation and fooding. But now it is proved that the assurance made by Prime Minister is completely untrue, and the economic package declared by Sitharaman, it is clearly established that there was no relief for farmers, stranded laborers and unemployed, and the people who are stranded, who are stranded in different parts of the country due to lockdown declared by Narendra Modi. And people are saying that the assurance made by Sitharaman is completely false one. It is not Rahul Gandhi, it is Sitharaman who is a dramabaz, and she is acting for suppressing the truth. Large crores of stranded laborers had to work on their food to reach to their houses, even at a distance of 1,500 kilometers. And some of them already died on the road when they are proceeding to their houses. Now, it is crystal clear that is economic package is another jumla like demonetization, GST, and the assurance made by Honorable Prime Minister that if he comes to power, he will bring back all black money from foreign country, and at least 15 lakh will go to the account of every citizen of India. Now it is proved that is also another dramabazi. So we condemn Sitharaman. She should understand the reality, and he should be ready. She should be ready to hear the cry of these helpless people. Rahul Gandhi, not only Rahul Gandhi, entire Congress party under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi are working for the help of these downtrodden people. It is not only in Delhi, in the different parts of the country. Picture is same, which goes to say that assurance made by or declaration made by Honorable Prime Minister and Sitharaman, these are completely based on falsehood. They are telling the country false. So, and it is now lots of crores of people who are stranded on the road. They also understood that this, our Honorable Prime Minister and Finance Minister Sitharaman is misleading the country. They are not taking the burden of these people, and still Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi repeatedly saying that if you cannot bear the expenses of these people, and if you are not willing to take the burden of this, Congress party is still ready, and they are asking the government, and Sitharaman instead of saying all this, she should tell the ICC and Rahul Gandhi that we are not in a position to take the part to help all this state and Congress party, and we condemn Sitharaman. People have understood. Now days come, the people time is not far away that they will be thrown out from power for this dramabazi and making false assurance to the people.